Okay, we have successfully installed .NET and Angular. So let's create new project. Right click, new and folder. Let's say chat. Let's right click it and open with VS Code. Trust it, close, and let's open terminal. New terminal. Here, let's click for now command prompt. Let's create API project. So type .NET new web API and output will be API. Let's press enter. So we have typo error here. Let's press off arrow and let's fix output. Our API project is created successfully. Let's navigate to API project and run project.net run. So let's click this link and we are going to redirect it to browser and let's add here slash weather forecast. So this is our default template provided by .NET. So this comes from this program and this map kit. So our backend project is created. So let's create another project for client. Go to terminal and new terminal. Let's make it command prompt. So let's create new Angular project ng new and let's say client for project name. Let's enter. Let's press N and enter. Let's select for this project CSS by default. So for SSR we don't need this for now. So let's press N and enter. Project is creating and some npm packages are installing in background. So let's wait some time. So our client project is created. So let's navigate to client project and serve what is inside. So let's serve our application npm start. So our application is served. So let's click this link and go to browser. You can see our default Angular template here. So we have successfully created two projects, API and client.